Well, my name is Nigel Annett. I've lived in Wales now for just over 20 years, I think. I'm working part-time these days, but until about 18 months ago, I worked with the water industry in Wales. I worked for Cymru, the water company. So I've lived in Wales now 20 years. I've got two boys, Rhys and Ellis, who are both at university. No, I don't live locally, but it's not that far really. I live between Brecon and Sennybridge, and I've lived there, oh gosh, nearly all of my time in Wales. But I don't mind the drive down to Gartholwg because I can listen to Radio Wales, Radio Cymru on the way down, and improve and practice my Welsh. Well, I've been learning properly, seriously, since September a year ago, so about 18 months, give or take. I did have a bit of Welsh before that because my two boys went to Welsh medium school, so I would hear Welsh around the house, and I could also say a few things in Welsh. I could start a question or start a sentence in Welsh perhaps. Well, lots of advantages come with learning to speak Welsh, particularly if you live here in Wales. Well, for me personally, of course, it meant I can now speak through the medium of Welsh with my two sons, for whom Welsh is their first language, which is wonderful. And that switch happened about 6 or 9 months ago, and now we don't even think about it. It's our language now. Well, because I wasn't working full time any longer, I was able to give a lot of time to trying to get to grips with the Welsh language, and I was very determined as well. So I put a lot of time in my first year, and it did come along after a while, although I find I can remember the start of words but not remember the end of words. But I was persuaded by my teacher here in Gartholwg to have a go at llcreception, the Welsh Learner of the Year competition. And the reason I did it, I think, was partly to put extra pressure on myself to really work hard at the Welsh that I did have, and also for the experience really of meeting new people who were involved in the competition. No, it was a brand new group of people when I arrived here in Gartholwg, but the others in my class have now become very close friends, and we are in regular contact outside of class. We do a number of things together outside of class. So that has been one of the best things, to meet a new circle of friends from all walks of life, all different experiences, but all with a shared passion to really come to grips with this language. It's a fantastic place to learn to speak Welsh. There's a great atmosphere here, and the people who work here and the people who teach here are really special.